क्या हाल चाल। तो आशा है आप स्वस्थ होंगे। तो लेट्स सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। The question in front of us is p minus 2q equals to sin x plus 2y. It's a question of partial linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So what is p in the in the partial differential equation world? That is del z by del x minus 2 times del z by del y equals to sin of x plus 2y. As you all know, we write del z by del x as capital D and del by del y as d dash. So this can now be written as d minus 2d dash operating on z equals to sin of x plus 2y. Now write the auxiliary equation because that is the next step. How we write auxiliary equation? Just replace d by m and d dash by 1. So you will get m minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. From here you are getting m as 2. Only one root is there, which is 2. So I can write my complementary function now, which is f1 y plus m1x, only one root, which is 2. Now coming to the particular integral. How to write a particular integral? That is 1 upon whatever is here, which is d minus 2d dash operating on sin of x plus 2y. This is of the form sin ax plus by. So from here I can write a is 1 and b is 2. Moreover, whenever I have this form, I want d square, d dash and d dash square in denominator, which is not there. So you will rationalize this. How to do that? Multiply numerator and denominator by d plus 2d. Okay. So although this is operator, not simple variable, so we write operate d plus 2d. So d plus 2d dash divided by d minus 2d dash this is sin x plus 2y. Now numerator as it is, here you will get d square minus 4d dash square, and we have sin x plus 2y. Now if you use the rules which says replace d square by minus a square, d dash by minus of ab, and d dash square by minus of b square. So if you use these rules and roughly calculate what is going to be denominator, because in case denominator becomes 0, that is a case of failure. And as we used to do in ordinary differential equation, that we used to multiply by 1x and differentiate the denominator. Here also we do the same thing, differentiate partially with respect to d. But let's see whether that is needed or not. So if I roughly calculate the denominator, because a here is 1, so minus of 1 minus 4 times what is b? 2. So d dash square I will replace by minus of 4. So minus 1 plus of 16. So this I am getting as 15. Okay. So coming to the next step, So this denominator I got as 15. So my particular integral is d times this, that means d of something is derivative, and because we have assumed d as del by del x, so derivative with respect to x, so derivative of sine is cos. I have just done this, d of sine x plus 2y plus 2 times d dash sine x plus 2y. Okay, and this 15 is always there. Okay, so let's write it in a better way. So here I write, I hope you are able to see this. Particular integral is 1 by 15 d times sine x plus 2y plus d dash 2d dash sine x plus 2y. Now derivative of sine x plus 2y with respect to x will be cos x plus 2y multiplied by chain rule 1. So particular integral is 1 by 15. From first you get cos of x plus 2y. From second 2 is there. Derivative with respect to y, because d dash here is del by del y. So that will be cos x plus 2y multiplied by 2. From here by chain rule, because derivative of this is cos x plus 2y, and when you go inside, derivative of x is 0 because you will treat that as constant, and derivative of 2y is 2. So sine is cos, so cos x plus 2y into 2, and one more 2 is there. So 4 times cos x plus 2y. So 1 time plus 4 time, 5 times, 5 by 15 is 1 by 3 cos x plus 2. So final answer, if I want to write, I can write that as, let's write that here, z equals to CF plus PI. What is the CF? F1 y plus 2x plus pi is 1 by 3 cos x plus 2y. That's it. This was again a very simple question. First of all, p, q, you put that value, then come from this form to in terms of d and d dash. So replace this by d and this by d dash, you get this. Then find the auxiliary equation. You got ms2, only one root. Complementary function is f1 y plus m1 x, that type. So m1 was 2, you got the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, because square terms were not there, so we rationalized. Okay, then further we solved, and on solving we got denominator as 15, and further we solved this. Okay, so in numerator we got 5 times cos x plus 2y divided by that 15, so cos x plus 2y divided by 3 was your pi ultimately, and this is your CF, so CF plus pi is your final answer. So I hope you understood at least something, although this was easy to understand if you have already done in OD. If not, then also rules are easy to understand. So if you are facing any type of problem, you can solve more and more problem, at least 4 to 5 more problems, and for that you can either follow any book or follow my playlist of partial differential equation for more such problems. Thanks and have a nice day.